Friends, newbie traders jump into trading just because they find a stock price at a very low rate. It may happen that you may make some money and take trading as like gambling. This kind of trading is very risky and you may have to face serious losses. Day trading and investment in stock market is an art, and before hopping into trading, it is better to have some basic skills. Using the Supertrend Indicator, you can analyze any stocks technically. Instead of predicting the trend, it signals you to go for a long or short once the trend is confirmed. You can hold your position until the trend sustains and exit as soon as you get the other signal. Supertrend works best in a trending market like an uptrend or downtrend, as it gives false signals in sideways movement. It works great on a 10 or 15-minute chart, and you can track the false signal also. If you are a day trader, then you can use other indicators along with the Supertrend Indicator to confirm the signal also. In this video we will learn about profitable trading strategy with the help of Supertrend and MACD indicator. This indicator is similar to moving averages, but it can be used on multiple timeframes to generate entry and exit signals. Combining the results generated by Supertrend Indicator and MACD indicator shall increase the chances for the most accurate results. The foundation of the Supertrend Indicator is the trend. A trend refers to a situation where the price of an asset is moving upwards or downwards for a certain period of time. Traders mostly make their money when an asset's price is trending upwards or downwards. When applied on a chart, the Supertrend Indicator is visible with its two colors. While they can be changed, the default colors are usually red and green. When it is green, it is a signal to buy an asset, while when it is red, it is a sign to sell an asset. The Supertrend Indicator works well across all timelines. It can work in shorter timeframes like the 5-minute or longer charts like daily and weekly charts. But do remember, in case your position is in short side, then put your stop loss at the red Supertrend Indicator line. Supertrend signals are good, and that doesn't mean you avoid putting stop loss. Stop loss will help you to cut your losses, and so always use stop loss without thinking much. When you open the indicator's properties, you will see two options: Supertrend ATR period and Supertrend multiplier. The average true range, commonly known as the ATR, is an indicator used to measure the volatility of a market. It takes into consideration the previous high and close of a specified period in its calculations. So, when your ATR period in the Supertrend Indicator is set at 14, then it means the indicator is looking back at the highs and lows of 14 days. That said, when a market is highly volatile, then the ATR will be high. On the other hand, if there is little volatility, then ATR will be low. Now, the Supertrend combines the ATR with a multiplier to detect the changes in trend direction. Now let's see best settings of Supertrend for trading, but before going forward, be sure to hit like button and subscribe to our channel for more knowledgeable videos like this. Just like any other indicator, the Supertrend has no fixed or definite setting that works for everyone all the time. I would say the setting you choose is up to you. Typically, the indicator has a default setting of 10 ATR period and 3.0 multiplier. If you reduce the settings too much, then the indicator will give a lot of signals, in which most of them will be false. Similarly, if you raise the numbers too high, the indicator will give fewer signals, meaning you might lose a lot of good trading opportunities. As such, start trying the indicator with its default settings and play around with them until you find the best ones that work for you. Now let's see buy and sell signals with the help of these indicators. But do one more thing before buy and sell setups: replace your candles with Heikin Ashi candles, so you will get more accurate signals without noise. As these candlesticks are more accurate than normal candlestick. For buy signal, look at this chart. As we can see, price was in sideways market but at this point started its upward journey, so we become alert for buy setup. Now we will also add MACD indicator with Supertrend, which will make our trade more accurate, MACD triggers technical signals when it crosses above or below to its signal line. MACD helps investors understand whether the bullish or bearish movement in the price and the trend is strengthening or weakening. The main, slower line is the MACD line, while the faster line is the signal line. If the two moving averages come together, they are said to be converging, and if they move away from each other, they are diverging. The difference between the two lines is represented on the histogram. If the MACD were to be trading above the zero line, it would confirm an uptrend. Below this, and the indicator would be used to confirm a downtrend. So as we can see in this chart, bullish crossover happened below to zero line, so we will not take entry at this candle. We will wait for MACD line to start its journey above to zero line. So at this candle we take buy trade as MACD line reached above to zero line and continuing its upward journey, so we take buy trade at this candle. You can put your stop loss at low of your entry candle and profit target would be 2 times of your stop loss, so as you can see this trade ended here being profitable. Now we will look out for sell trade. For sell trade, look at this chart as we can see price started its downward journey, after being choppy for some time, and as soon price started its downward journey, we become alert for sell trade. Now look carefully for our entry candle as we can see in MACD bearish crossover happened, but this crossover is above to zero line, so we will wait for MACD line to reach below to zero line, so at this candle we take a sell trade, as price reached below to zero line by putting stop loss at high of your entry candle or super trend itself, and profit target would be 2 times of your stop loss. And as you can see, your profitable trade comes to an end. So friends, this comes to an end of our video. I hope you surely got good idea of trading with help of Supertrend and MACD indicator, of course with the help of Heikin Ashi candlesticks. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in next video.